Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create Pandora account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. Pandora is Danish jewelry manufacturer where you can find your style jewelry collection. To create Pandora account on PC, first open any web browser on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type us.pandora.net. The US on the beginning stands for the country code. Mine is USA, so it is US. After typing us.pandora.net, press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to the Pandora's website. Now here you can see profile icon at top right section of the website. Click on the profile icon. Now here on the left side you can see the login option. Click on create account on the site of login. Now here you can see you need to fill all the information to create your account. First enter your first name, then enter your last name on the given box. Then enter your correct email on the given box. After entering the email, enter your password. Make sure your password is strong enough. Then re-enter the password on confirm password box. After that, click on the box stating yes, sign me up for Pandora newsletter and that you are over 16 years old and you like to receive digital communication email from Pandora. After entering all the credentials and information, click on submit option at the down. With that, your account will be created. Here you can see welcome Hannah. That means my Pandora account has been created. This is how we can create Pandora account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.